Welcome back. A surprising number of riders over 50 stop riding within 2 years, and it's not crashes or fear, it's struggling with bikes they can't confidently manage. 7 motorcycles in 2026 weigh under 420 pounds with low seat heights and predictable power. And when you discover why experienced riders are choosing lighter machines, you'll reconsider everything about what makes a great motorcycle. Number 7. Royal Enfield Hunter 350. Picture this. You're backing out of a tight parking spot, and instead of wrestling 500 pounds of motorcycle, you're guiding 399 pounds that moves where you want it. The Hunter 350 costs $4,649 and delivers that 31.1-inch seat height that puts both feet flat on the ground at every stoplight. That 349cc air-cooled single produces 20 horsepower, perfectly matched to the bike's weight and character. The upright seating position removes strain from wrists and lower back. Here's what separates this from other budget bikes. Royal Enfield's recent reliability improvements mean these bikes just work. The fuel-injected single runs smoothly around town and comfortably cruises highways at 65 miles per hour without feeling stressed. Insurance averages $145 annually, among the lowest in this group. At $4,649, you're getting classic styling in a physically manageable package. For riders wanting simplicity and confidence without the muscle workout, the Hunter 350 delivers. Number 6. Honda Rebel 500. The lowest seat height in its class at 27.2 inches means you're planting both feet firmly at every stoplight. Honda priced the Rebel 500 at $6,999 and built it around one core idea: confidence through control. At just 414 pounds wet, this bike feels lighter because everything sits low. That parallel twin engine makes 46 horsepower with smooth power delivery that never surprises. The narrow profile makes lane positioning easier in traffic, and the low center of gravity helps immensely when maneuvering in tight spaces. Here's the reality. Honda reliability means this bike just works. Day after day. The upright seating position keeps you comfortable without the reach problems many cruisers create. One rider switching from a heavier cruiser mentioned actually riding more often because confidence replaced anxiety. At $6,999, you're getting legendary reliability in a package that builds confidence instead of testing physical limits. For riders who don't want to wrestle motorcycles anymore, few bikes match this combination. Number 5. Triumph Speed 400. British engineering in a 373-pound package proves you don't need heavyweight bikes for quality riding experiences. Triumph priced the Speed 400 at $5,495, making it their lightest street bike while maintaining premium build quality. That single-cylinder 398cc engine produces 39 horsepower with enough torque to handle highway speeds comfortably. The 31.4-inch seat height accommodates most inseams, and the bike's lightweight makes slow speed maneuvers feel natural instead of nerve-wracking. Here's what impressed early adopters. Despite the modest displacement, the 6-speed transmission keeps highway cruising relaxed without feeling buzzy. Modern ABS comes standard. The fuel economy averages 70 mpg, meaning your riding budget stretches further. At 373 pounds, you can actually pick this bike up if it tips over, something many riders worry about with heavier machines. At $5,495, you're getting Triumph's pedigree without the bulk. For riders wanting quality without fighting weight, the Speed 400 stands out. Number 4. CFMoto 450SS. What 650-pound sport bikes never tell you: the weight exhausts you in traffic, kills confidence in parking lots, and turns fun rides into physical workouts. The 450 SS weighs just 375 pounds and costs $5,699 with full LED lighting, TFT display, and modern styling. That 449cc parallel twin delivers 51 horsepower with smooth, predictable power that builds confidence. The weight sits so low that managing the bike at parking speeds feels natural. Here's what changes everything. Lighter weight means you place the bike exactly where you want it without fighting mass. Fuel economy exceeds 60 mpg. Insurance averages $165 annually. The bike proves you don't need superbike power to enjoy spirited riding. You need a bike you can confidently control. One returning rider mentioned this rekindled enthusiasm that heavier machines had extinguished through sheer physical demand. At $5,699, you're getting the lightest sport bike available in America. For riders wanting excitement without exhaustion, the 450 SS delivers. Number 3. Kawasaki Z400. At 364 pounds, this is the lightest highway-capable motorcycle in this lineup, and you'll feel that advantage immediately. Kawasaki priced the Z400 at $5,499, creating their lightest street bike that's still comfortable at 70 miles per hour. That 399cc parallel twin makes 44 horsepower with power delivery so smooth you'll forget about specs. The 31.1-inch seat height works for most riders, and the upright bars provide excellent leverage for parking lot maneuvers. Here's what makes 364 pounds special. Backing out of tight spots becomes easy. U-turns on narrow streets don't require perfect technique. Slow speed control feels natural instead of stressful. Modern ABS comes standard. Insurance averages $175 annually. The bike excels at commuting and weekend rides without demanding sport bike reflexes or strength. At $5,499, you're getting Kawasaki reliability in their lightest package. For riders prioritizing easy handling above everything else, the Z400 delivers. Number 2. Yamaha MT-07. At 403 pounds, this proves lightweight doesn't mean compromised, it means confidence and capability combined. Yamaha priced the MT-07 at $8,199 and created something rare, a light bike that doesn't feel like a beginner machine. That 689cc parallel twin produces smooth, torquey power that feels strong without being intimidating. The 31.7-inch seat height works for most riders, and the upright position makes control feel natural. Here's what matters most. Modern traction control and ABS provide safety nets. The bike handles everything from commuting to weekend rides without demanding perfect technique or significant strength. At 403 pounds, it's light enough to manage confidently yet substantial enough to feel stable at highway speeds. The weight sits low and centered, making the bike feel even lighter than the numbers suggest. Insurance averages $195 annually. At $8,199, you're getting legitimate capability without the physical workout. For experienced riders wanting performance they can manage confidently, the MT-07 delivers. Number 1. Honda CB500 Hornet. Honda refined 20 years of proven engineering into a 414-pound naked bike that riders in their 50s and 60s call nearly perfect. The CB500 Hornet starts at $5,899 with everything right where it should be. That 471cc parallel twin makes 47 horsepower with fuel injection so smooth you'll just ride and enjoy. The 31.1-inch seat height puts most riders comfortably grounded at stops, and the upright position eliminates strain on longer rides. Here's what makes this number 1. The bike feels eager without being aggressive, capable without being demanding. The low weight means parking lots don't stress you out anymore. Backing into tight garage spaces becomes easy instead of anxious. Dealers report buyers choosing this over heavier bikes they previously owned, citing confidence as the deciding factor. Insurance averages $165 annually. Fuel economy exceeds 70 mpg. At $5,899, you're getting Honda's bulletproof reputation in a bike that won't wear you out. For riders wanting to ride more and stress less, the CB500 Hornet is the smart choice. And there you have it. 7 truly lightweight motorcycles bringing confidence back to riding for riders who value control over cubic inches. Which one matches your needs? Have you switched to a lighter bike and rediscovered the joy? Share your story below. Like this if it helped, and subscribe for reviews that respect your experience and intelligence.